Yo, I'm just the Avenue thug. You wanna talk about drugs and guns bust? The first niggas you name, it gotta be us. I put some weed in my Dutch, pour some yak in my cup. My first moves of the day, shit, I gotta re-up. Ain't no more being broke, shit, I gotta be up. Ain't no more sucker shit, I gotta G up. Shit, as soon as I light this weed up, you better have my money, or little nigga, you gon' have to see us. Man, these niggas always trying to be us. Until shit get real, somebody die and they screaming free us. I made $250,000 in these Adidas. Man, I feel like Rav Simmons. I'm more used to crack pitching than misdemeanors. Just taking sips from the royal penis, counting up math. Shit, not too bad, and yo, we living decent. These niggas in their feelings talking down about the young lord. I'm really that boy. That nigga. Yo, these niggas reaching. Woo! Yo, fuck these niggas, man. You know what I'ma do. I'ma keep getting that money, nigga. I'm still hustling, I'm still trying to make a meal. I still call up junkies to do my cable still. I'm still getting big money, I'm getting paper still. I'm still counting blue hundreds, I'm just a baby still. Yo, you bout to get whoever tried to play me kill. Pull up with twin Glocks, I'm moving like the Navy SEALs. We was young niggas, but cracked like the 80s. Made at least $2 million and started having babies. Clapped a couple of cats, was raw with the 40. Ever since that, been fucked up since shorty. I came up, pops hitting lakes, bumping Nori. I took the time out. Yo, getting higher with my friends, grinding for the men's. I was trying to find a way to turn my bike into a Benz. Was dead broke, I ain't have a pot to piss. And now I'm up, a nigga damn near rich. I wouldn't sleep from the 1st to the 5th. I couldn't let the list get away. Be getting paid, trying to get up. My life is so different growing up. Niggas play with toys, I play with pistols growing up. You can pray to whoever, but shit, Pops ain't showing up. Back on this 40, I bet you your pockets open up. Niggas talking that street shit, but they ain't done enough. Niggas talking that G shit, but they ain't one of us. Man, I used to go to school with cocaine on the bus. I used to go to school with cocaine in the brush. See, the street shit done taught me enough. I try to live my life, man. Real shit. That school shit, man, that shit ain't for me, man. Cause I was rich in high school, told licks in high school, hit licks in high school. Nigga, this my school. I ran Lafayette, I kept the 40 in my locker. Run up on me at lunch, I would've shot you. Yo, you run up on me at lunch, I would've shot you. Get money, fuck bitches, smoke weed, drink liquor. You know this the life of a real nigga, This just the life of a real nigga, This just the life of a real nigga, Get money, fuck bitches, smoke weed, drink liquor. You know this the life of a real nigga, This just the life of a real nigga, This is the life of a real. Yo, my mom dropped me off in 1994. 17 years later, I started slinging raw. Typical kids, we just did what we saw. I stayed down and made myself a boss, then came up with the same niggas, just the addresses changed up. I was in the Jeep shit, then I put the range up. They ain't know me at first, but now I got my name up. Look into my eyes, all you see is a lost soul. Lost so many niggas to the streets, so my heart cold. We ain't really had no outlet, so we gang bang. And they don't hire criminals, so we sling king. Even though they never loved us, we don't give a fuck. And we at war, shit, I keep me a pistol tucked. Ready to split me a nigga wig, and that's real shit. Niggas try to cross me, this the shit that I did with. And it's always who you be the most real with. You gotta take them on a field trip. Yo, get money, fuck bitches, smoke weed, drink liquor. You know this the life of a real nigga. Yo, get money, fuck bitches, smoke weed, drink liquor. You know this the life of a real nigga. Hey yo, this is the life of a real nigga. Hey yo, this is the life of a real nigga. Get money, fuck bitches, smoke weed, drink liquor. You know this the life of a real nigga. Hey yo, this is the life of a real nigga. Yo, this is the life of a real nigga. Yo. Yo, I fuck better with the lights on. My life is like a fly movie scene plus a bite from a python. My mind be overcrowded, so I write songs. And I'm be in love, so I write poems. Every other day I put up at least 10. Cause with your bag, that's what separate the boys from me. When I was broke, ain't nobody love me. When they ain't feed me, ain't nobody need me. When I stayed to myself, shit, they call me greedy. I was on my grind, shit, I wasn't needy. I knew I would make it, they didn't believe me. And not only that, I make it look easy. Trying not to let this money drive me crazy. One day I'ma have a baby. And give it a whirl. My baby girl, my baby girl. Yo, I'm really that nigga, man. I'm really that nigga, baby. How I get this money? I get this money. I fuck these bitches, rock that fly shit, push them foreign whips, fuck these bad hoes. Can't fuck with me. Woo. At such an early age, can't fuck with me, man. Niggas can't fuck with me for that. Write that weed up, Frank. Yo, I used to pray for times like this. Sitting back high as a bitch, trying to figure out how I got rich. I really grinded my way to the top of the list. Now I get my nuts held when I piss. Yo, I'm always smoking runts, but I'm focused. Shit, I've been that nigga just. Not more people notice. Ain't no flaws in the diamonds that's in my Rolex. I'm fucking your bitch, but shit, you know that. I've been getting rich, but shit, you know that. Take Trump, free Kodak. Walk up in that bitch, where the dough at? Shit, where Mo at? I'm up in the bank, I'm making deposits. 2023, I'm copping the island. 2024, I'm buying the planet. I'm taking this money shit for granted. I know these fuck niggas can't stand it. These niggas can't stand this shit, man. Word. How we doing this shit, man? We killing these niggas, man. Word. We getting money, man. Trying to tell you. Yo, we at the crib counting money with the poles on us. He wanna smoke, got shot, and then he told on us. My youngin' be wildin', he keep his pole on him. The bricks on the island just leave the stove running. When I'm OT, just know a load coming. Pull out the red carpet like it's Hove coming. You see the rolls coming. Hoes bumming, smoking out the onion, coming. I keep it drumming, I keep it gunning. These niggas always want something. Fuck you want, nigga? When it's smoke, they don't want nothing. They don't want shit. Pull that bitch off the lot, look like I stole something. I air out they block, I think you know something. Sniffing that coke, it got his nose running. Sniffing that coke, it got his woes hunting. Fuck them pussy niggas. Fuck them pussy niggas. I L they block like fuck them pussy niggas. Pussy niggas waving that Glock. Fuck them pussy niggas.
I'm glad y'all fuck with that though.
Right.
Cause I wasn't fucking with it. God damn it, I hit the mic and I fucked up the headphone. Check, yeah. Hey, Big Esco. We don't give a fuck about your dress code. I got my niggas with me. Look. I'm about to get a wife soon, y'all better hurry up. I'm rocking human made and baked at the curry up. And you can tell by the scenes that's Yamamoto jeans. That in Hollywood sample trench that I got for free. Shout out to Audie, we was at the party in Pigar. Posted on stage with Virgil Abloh, that vintage off-white. Should be up in the all bright. For all of them dollars spent bumping Potter. Now lick a shot up for all of my fallen partners. You don't want problems, we got math that'll solve ya. Glocks and revolvers, K-Big, you gotta walk it out. Fuck it, we could chalk it out, or we could sit down like bosses, we could talk it out. The stakes high, take the large amount. Baby girl, I need the large amount. Them squabbling foes turn fan at my shows. Little that they know they girl was a fan before. They older sibling tell them that I was the man before. They little brother said they see me at the fashion show. Second row with a back roll, smelling like dank. And I'm sitting next to Hillary Swank, rolling dice at the Louvre. Fool who got bank, using a shank to cut up my vegan steak. Alex boots and my foot covered in snake. Was bank, nigga.
Yo, I miss the good old days when everybody shows love. That's your family, they get a man a hug. I miss the good old days when it was really cheaper to keep her. That's why I charge 24 a feature. I miss the good old days when niggas used to roll Dutchess. Nowadays niggas don't roll nothing. I miss the good old days. Yo, I miss the good old days. I miss the good old days. I miss the good old days. One day I be in Cali, the next I'm in Miami. 2 bitches for Grammy week, but I ain't won a Grammy. Touchdown is the Super Bowl. Watching it in the bandy, hitting licks through a vent Cut a hole in the pantry. I should be out west in the hills, living fancy. Big ass whips, white bitches, nose candy. We on a new wave, making albums like you slave. These bitches know I'm the bomb. Saddam Hussein. We came from cocaine licks at the building, eating low main from an 8-ball. The copping whole things, we took over the game piece by piece. Nigga throw me on the beat, I bet nobody could see me. I'm on the type of shit where only bad hoes could get me off. I served enough crackheads to piss me off. I made myself a boss when everybody shows love. That's your family, then get that man a hug. I miss the good old days when it was really cheaper to keep her. That's why I charge 24 a feature. I miss the good old days when niggas used to roll Dutchess. Nowadays niggas don't roll nothing. I miss the good old days. 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 Yo, I'm so successful. My life immaculate. This shit is beautiful. Yo, coke on the floor. I'm stepping on raw, walking on water in Dior. I could see Hove house from my loft. In hundreds I could stuff a quarter in my G-stars. Baby, I'm really rich, I ain't see more. Honey, I buy this whole shit, don't piss me off. By the way, go buy some blunts and hit the liquor store. I used to dream of fucking 3 bitches, now I'm trying to get 4. Used to dream of seeing 100K, now I see more off all hustle. This shit is science, fuck niggas getting love, and the real niggas dying. Everybody your boss, one of these niggas lying. I put the 2020 on autopilot. My white bitch off Miley Cyrus, anybody could get it, long as my niggas riding. 45 on my hip, one of these niggas dying. I'm a small giant, bustin' the A still. I ain't left town in months, I'm getting cake still. On probation, pissing in cups, I'm getting baked still. We setting up shop on the block like it's a bake sale. It's a bake sale.
The street, stay out of the street.
Yo, real G's moving silence, ain't no silence, it's on my guns. Don't duck, you better run. Scared nigga, that young and that nigga suspect so much. Everywhere I go, they be like, I love that song you made about Crush. I miss my nigga, rest in peace to him. Was fucked up, cause we was just about to blow up. Took a few shortcuts, fucked hella bitches, got my hoes up. Rolled up, pull up in the Rover, don't need no chauffeur. I just maneuver with the toaster, let's keep it kosher. A line of this to fuck your nose up, hold up. Yo, this bitch will text me, daddy, come and get this pussy, please. She be having me on some lazy shit, don't wanna leave. See, my bitch is into the finer weaves. Chanel, stay with Chanel because she ride with me. When I slide in them biggie seats, you better not hickey me. Dig deep, make you remember me, your favorite memory. Yeah, I got that work for the cabbage heads. The savages play my shit and go hit a lick. This inspiration to get rich. Just a little inspiration to get rich, nigga. Just some inspiration to get rich. Yo, this for the have-nots, crush case, cause dudes were smoking rocks. Times tough, so we had to resort to Glocks. Fifth bus, you heard that bitch around the block, but ain't seen nothing, you know the rules. Don't be a fool, homie, that could've been you. No threats, cause that ain't what I do, get you touched. I'm at the crib, straight fucking your boo. She heard the news, you stupid fool. Let's play it cool, or your head you gon' lose. Blood on the leaves, but ain't no blood on my lubes. You stupid fool. You stupid dude.
Oh, this nigga's a dickhead.
What the fuck wrong with this nigga, man? Somebody need to smack this nigga upside his head or something. That nigga shithead, that.
Nah, this
Fuck wrong with him? What fuck wrong with him, that? This nigga need his ass whooped, that.
Fuck that, bro.
It's that bucket hat freestyle. I ain't writing none of that shit. You heard? Yo, I had everything for sale, weed, rock, saw, put that money through that mail slide, dog. What you mean, Lord? We had 40s on our drawers, bad bitches on my dick, and you know I fucked them all, right? Right? I'm living alright. And I was Versace on my ass, bitch, my boxes cost a ball, right? Yo, I'm at the mall, like, I need every red bottom, bitch, I gotta get my moms, right? Yo, I know they all tight. They see a nigga winning and they wanna knock me off, right? Yo, bitch, this soft white. She was asking what it was, you know that ain't my type of broad, right? Right? I'm on the Broadway. Riding around smoking weed, hitting fiends, listening to Conway all day. Niggas was tweaking, riding around in the stoley, but I just wanted a rollie. Niggas hated I was broke, now I'm winning, bitch, I feel like a Kobe. All these hoes be trying to fuck these niggas, saying they know me, I swear, this shit is weird to niggas. That's why I be sipping Remy and be toting my flipper. I swear I'ma catch a body over one of my niggas. West told me to bust my gun, and I'm dumping that niggas. Conway told me to bust my gun, then I'm dumping that niggas. Benny told me to bust my gun, then I'm dumping that niggas. I swear, yo, I could've made $1 million off the app just from serving nickel bags. That's how many licks I had. They wonder how I got the kicks I had. The work was pure, I was trying to see different math. Cause niggas just sit around on their ass and wonder why they math ain't adding up. I had enough, spent all night bagging up, trying to get right. Lord knows I ain't living right when I'm living, alright? Yo, my business, Lord knows I ain't living right when I'm living, alright?